Hi, Maruti sir. This is Priyanka
Hi, ma'am.
from Midday. First of all, fabulous assets. And I have two questions for you. And one, first, of course, that Jan 9th is very, very important
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
whole team, for you as a filmmaker. But is there more pressure on you, as the Helmer also because it's a superstar film? There are so many expectations attached to a Prabhas's film, the opening, the lifetime. So are you also carrying that pressure that this is a Prabhas-led film?
Of course, it will be there, ma'am. I can't say there is no pressure at all like that. But I saw film. I liked it very much, and my friends and everyone watched, and they are also liked very, very much. We are going to show, however, tomorrow, and you are going to write about the film. Uh, it will be a different world, ma'am. You can see my work in that. Thank you.
Right. But also I wanted to ask you another thing that, Sandeep Reddy Vanga is also working with Prabhas. And in one of the visual assets for his film with Prabhas, he called him the India's biggest superstar. Now, you yourself worked with so many South stars. We have stars in other languages as well. I want to ask you, do you think that Prabhas indeed is India's biggest superstar, superseding everyone else?
I feel global star.
Right, right.
Not only pan India, pan world they are watching, no. In Japan also he went, no. His heart is like that, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
ಮಾರುತಿ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಭಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಲಾರ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾಸ್ ಸರ್ನ ನೋಡೋ ರೀತಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್
I
ಅಂಡ್
don't
ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್
understand Kannada, ma'am, that much.
ಪಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮೂವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ
Yes, ma'am.
It's a pan India, ma'am. But
ಓಕೆ
Yeah.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
Yes.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಲಾರ್ ಪ್ರಭಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರೇ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಾನರ್ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಭಾಸ್ ಸರ್ನ ಈ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೋಲ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದೇ ಪಾತ್ರನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ
Actually, ma'am, before Bahubali, before he used to do these kind of comedy characters. He played lot of comedy characters. After Bahubali, actually, in Pan India, no one can see in this kind of characterization. Now I want to show if Prabhas sir, if he play comedy role, how it will be. That too, his stature for we are looking for one different genre. That is called this fantasy, horror fantasy. You can see tomorrow, ma'am. It's like a Disney films. I have animation background. I came from the 2D animation. That is why I enjoyed this film when I'm making, and you'll also will enjoy, I think.
Maruti sir.
Yeah.
हेलो मेरा सवाल
ஒரு நிமிஷம் மீனாட்சி
मारुति सर
தினமலர்
कैन आई
yeah, sir, sir, you can.
So
Yeah.
long, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच मारुति साहब प्रसाद साहब मेरा सवाल आपसे है yesterday day before yesterday we launched a song and it is terrific, the response is really mind blowing.
Nache song.
तीन इतनी दिग्गज कलाकारा उसके अंदर मौजूद, प्रभास सर मौजूद, और उसके बाद जिस तरह से कोरियोग्राफ करा गया वो भी बहुत माइंड ब्लोइंग है. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब हम प्रभास सर की बात करते हैं द बज अराउंड द फिल्म इज वेरी पॉजिटिव. कितने करोड़ की फिल्म को ओपनिंग लेनी चाहिए? जस्ट योर व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? मतलब प्रसाद सर जस्ट वांटेड टू नो व्हाट ओपनिंग यू आर आइंग एट.
That is Prasad sir's call, I think. I cannot tell that figures and all.
So we globally will definitely go more than 100 crores in the day one.
My question here, Maruti ji, ikkada.
Yes.
Yeah. My question, sir, Bappi Lahiri sir's song adi, asal disco dancer, one of the super duper hits ఆ టైంలో. సో why was it a deliberate thing ki Bappi Lahiri sir దే ఏదైనా రీమిక్స్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది? ఎందుకంటే ఆయనది అన్ని సూపర్ హిట్సే ఉన్నాయి.
అంత ఆలోచించలేదండి. అంటే నాకు ప్రభాస్ సార్కి చాలా ఇష్టమైన పాట అది. అందుకని అది పెట్టుకుందామని అనుకున్నాం. అదైతే మా సినిమాకు కూడా కరెక్ట్గా న్యాయం జరుగుద్ది అనిపించింది థీమ్ వైజు. ఆ ప్రాసెస్లో పెట్టింది సాంగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్. అంటే సినిమా స్టోరీ స్క్రాచ్గా ఉన్నప్పటి దగ్గర నుంచే మేము ఈ సాంగ్ పెడితే బాగుంటుంది అనుకున్నాం. అది బాగా నిజంగా తమ్మన్ చాలా అద్భుతమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఇచ్చాడు, అంటే ట్రెండీగా ఇచ్చాడు. అది 3 days బిఫోర్ రిలీజ్ చేసినా సరే అది చాలా చాలా దూరం వెళ్ళింది, బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అయింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
And
My
one
question
last
to
two questions.
Nidhi and Riddhi, నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే both of you have really enjoyed if you see the dancing and all. So they say this is a media party. So was it a party already for you before this conference? Can both of you answer? Riddhi?
Yeah, I mean the song, I always love dancing, as you know. I think that's been a very, very big part of my journey. And Nache Nache was amazing fun to perform. So was Sahana Sahana. Raja Yuvraja is a beautiful song. So I love all the songs in the film. But talking about the party, yes, Nache Nache was a party.
And one last question. and we'll
மாருதி
wrap.
சார் சார்
Yes, சொல்லுங்க சார்.
இந்தியன் சினிமா அந்த கோஸ்ட் இது இல்லையா ஒரு ரெகுலர் ஃபார்மேட் உண்டு. சட்டர்லாம் அடிக்கும், நைட் எஃபெக்ட் நடக்கும், ஒயிட் கலர் சாரியில் தான் கோஸ்ட் வரும். இந்த படத்தில் 3 பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஹீரோயின் வந்து ஏன் அந்த ஒயிட் கலருக்கு நம்ம கோஸ்ட்டாக தான் நம்ம வந்து ரசிப்போம், த்ரில்லர் இது பண்ணுவோம். ஏன் வந்து 3 ஹீரோயின் இதில் யார் கோஸ்ட்டாக வராங்க?
யாரும் இல்லை சார், சஞ்சய் தத் சார் கோஸ்ட்.
Sir,
Okay,
hello.
ma'am. Okay. Your question is last question. Yeah.
Abhirami from Tamil Media.
We can't hear you, ma'am. Can you please speak louder a little?
Abhirami from Tamil Media, Dinamalar.
Tamil media. Okay, ma'am. Ask.
I have a question for the director.
యా சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Do you have any idea for the second part for this movie?
எஸ் மேம்.
So you have a
இருக்கு.
lead scene also, is it?
என்ன மேம்?
Lead scene வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
யா இருக்கு மேம்.
Okay.
ஸ்டோரி
All the
நல்ல
best.
ஸ்டோரி ஆல்ரெடி
Okay.
சொல்லாச்சு மேம் சாருக்கு,
So
பார்க்கணும்.
second part is also coming.
இருக்கு மேம், பண்ணணும்.
Okay. All the best.
பட் நிறைய டைம் இருக்கு மேம்.
Sir, Priya here from Bangalore.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You're not hungry?
Sorry?
It's already late, I think. Yeah, no worries. Ask, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can
please,
I?
please.
Can
Yes,
I?
yes, of course you can.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Maruti, sir. Here, Priya. Yeah. What are the challenges in storytelling when working with a star like Prabhas?
నో ఛాలెంజింగ్ మ్యామ్, రైటింగ్ ఓన్లీ.
Okay. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಭಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅವರ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗದ ಹಾಗೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗದ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ
He is very
ಎಷ್ಟು
he is very sweet person, ma'am.
ಯಾ
He make me very comfortable.
ಓಕೆ
You can see on screen, ma'am, I can tell. Thank you so much.
So there is no pressure, only pleasure with Prabhas sir. He's rebel star.
Thank
because
you.
He's a
I'm-
pan-India star.
We are in little hurry. Thanks for coming here, everyone. Please have nice dinner and watch our film and enjoy and give great reviews. Thank you.
మీరు ఈ ఫిల్మ్ని ప్రాపర్గా లాంచ్ చేయడంలో కొంచెం ఫెయిల్ అయ్యారంటే ఏమైనా ఫీల్ అవుతారా? ఎస్పెషల్లీ నార్త్ ఇండియా ప్రమోషన్ కానీ లేదా అదర్ సౌత్ ఇండియన్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్లో కానీ.
బేసిక్గా ఈ ఫిలిం మీద దేర్ ఆర్ సర్టెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్. సో అంటే మేబీ మా మెటీరియల్ హెస్ కమ్ లిటిల్ లేటర్, అంటే అనుకున్న టైం కన్నా. బట్ ఏ ఫిలిం కైనా దర్ ఇస్ అ టైమింగ్. సో లేటర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ డిసెంబర్ నుంచి we had our trailer 2. So trailer 2 to date, and it's picking quite well. From a curiosity point of view, and last 1 year నుంచి there's enough curiosity. So అంటే మరి మీరు అంటే ఏ మెజర్ మీద మెజర్ చేస్తారో తెలియదు కానీ వీఆర్ మోడరేట్ టు బెటర్ సిచ్యుయేషన్ రైట్ నౌ.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లాంటి సినిమాకి ఒక ప్లానింగ్, పబ్లిసిటీ ప్లానింగ్ అనే ప్రాపర్గా ప్లానింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఆ ప్రాపర్ ప్లానింగ్ అంతలా కనపడలేదు అనే కంప్లైంట్ బయట ఉంది. అది నేను చెప్పేది. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్, బట్ బయట ఉన్న కంప్లైంట్ అంటే ప్రాపర్గా నార్త్ ఇండియాలో ప్లాన్ చేయలేదు పబ్లిసిటీ అదిని అని చెప్పేసి.
అంటే అంటే వీ సీ సమ్ మార్కెటింగ్ రిపోర్ట్స్ అండి. ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ అంటే టిపికల్గా రీచ్ బజ్ అపీల్ అని చూస్తారు. సో డెఫినెట్గా వీ హ్యావ్ ద బెస్ట్ రీచ్, బెస్ట్ బజ్, బెస్ట్ అపీల్ ఇన్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద నార్త్. డెఫినెట్లీ we are very, very extraordinary in Telugu states. Bangalore. Of course, Tamil, we are coming with other large films, so we are not in the same scale. And like any other language movie, it's difficult to achieve the same thing in Tamil. So, Hindi work, I think we have a decent reach and appeal. So, like any film in Hindi, it takes time for 2 to 3 days after the release. Based on the film, it will catch up. So,
ఎన్ని స్క్రీన్లు వచ్చున్నాయి నార్త్ ఇండియాలో?
ఏదండి?
నార్త్ ఇండియాలో ఎన్ని స్క్రీన్లు?
నార్త్ ఇండియా, I don't have an exact number, but that will be anywhere from 3,800 to 4,500 screens.